everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shivangi, and today's video is for all of those who loves wearing the comfortable clothes but also want to look a little put together always, even at home. Now let's be honest कि वो घिसे पुराने छेद वाले टी शर्ट पजामास पहन के बैठने का आनंद कुछ और ही है. But over the time, I've realized that how we dress has a huge impact on how we feel. So wearing nice clothes, even at home, does something to your mood. You feel better, a little more put together, और आपका दिन ना थोड़ा अच्छा और स्मूथ जाता है. ये मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया है. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप सुबह 8 बजे उठते बिल्कुल फुल ग्लैम मेकअप करके घर में बैठ जाओ, लेकिन अच्छे वेल फिटेड और कंफर्टेबल कपड़े पहन के बैठने से आपका मूड जो है वो इंस्टेंटली लिफ्ट हो जाता है, आपका मूड अच्छा हो जाता है. और अगर आपका मूड अच्छा होगा तो घर में सबका मूड अच्छा होगा, ऑब्वियसली, ये तो हम सबको पता है. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दीज 6 cotton suit sets from Amazon. They are all super comfortable for lounging around and polished enough for your office hours or just stepping out. आपको सब्जी लेने जाना है, दूध लेने जाना है, बच्चे को स्कूल लेने जाना है या किसी शॉपिंग पे जाना है, तो आप वहाँ पे भी ये सारे सूट सेट्स पहन के जा सकते हो. सो चलिए आज का हॉल शुरू करते हैं और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या मंगाया है. I'll start my haul with this beautiful white cotton kurta set, and let's take a moment to appreciate how breezy and elegant this suit set looks. The kurta features a beautiful mix of intricate blue floral patterns and black vines on a soft white base. Super calming and perfect for summers, right? It comes with a V neckline that elongates the frame, and the 3/4 sleeves give it a polished look without feeling stuffy in the summer. Now let's talk about the bottoms. Instead of a matching floral print, it comes with geometric print straight pants in a soft black and white combo. This breaks the monotony of the jal print on the kurta and adds a nice modern twist to the traditional look. So this suit set is perfect for summers. आराम से इसको घर में पहन के बैठ सकते हो, ऑफिस भी पहन के जा सकते हो, and if you wanna step out just for shopping, movie date, बच्चे को स्कूल से लेने जाना है तो भी आप ये सूट आराम से कैरी कर सकते हो. You can also add a lightweight dupatta if you want to dress it up a bit. Now coming to this striking green and cream geometric print suit set. I love how different it is from my usual floral prints. The pattern gives it a very contemporary feel while the cut remains traditional. The neckline detailing adds that little festive sparkle, making it suitable for both work and semi-formal occasions. The cotton rayon material makes it breathable, and I found the flare of kurta super flattering. What I love most is how versatile this set is. You can wear it with juttis for a work day or dress it up with heels and a portly bag for a casual festive get together. इसका कॉलर्ड नेकलाइन और स्लीव्स की डिटेलिंग भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई है. प्लस इसकी सलवार भी थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. इट हैज़ दैट अफगानी काइंड ऑफ अ सलवार विद इट. Alright, next one is an absolute mood lifter. Just look at these vibrant colors. It's giving me major tropical vibes with the bold floral print. The fabric is pure cotton, super soft and breathable, which makes it perfect for summer or humid days. What I love the most is how relaxed yet structured it feels. The sleeves has this slight flare with a cute lace detailing, and the neckline is simple but adds a touch of elegance. Even the pants have the same print and scalloped lace, so the whole set feels put together. I can totally wear this for brunch, a casual meetup, or even just a cozy day at home when I want to feel a little dressed up. Also, styling it is a breeze. I've just added minimal earrings and flat sandals here, and it looks so chic. Now don't let the bright colors fool you. This floral suit set is actually a great pick for the office too. The cut is modest, the fabric is breathable, and the print brings that cheerful pop-up without being too loud. It's the perfect way to add that freshness to your everyday workwear while still looking polished and put together. Next up in my haul is this beautiful green kurta set. It has such a calming vibe with the muted floral print and angrakha style silhouette, which I personally find very flattering. The fabric is soft cotton, super breathable and light, ideal for long days or just lounging in comfort. तो ये अंगरखा स्टाइल कुर्ता नहीं है, ये जस्ट अंगरखा का डिज़ाइन है इसमें with a side tie detail, giving it a more structured and feminine look. I also love that the sleeve length is just right. Not too short, not too long, making it wearable across the seasons. इसके साथ आई है printed pants that complement the kurta without clashing, and honestly, it's a look that can go from casual lunch to work meeting effortlessly. Just add some silver jhumkas or oxidized bangles and you're all set. Next up is this gorgeous plum floral suit set. It's a straight kurta with delicate ivory piping that gives it a very neat and tailored look. The fabric is soft cotton again, making it ideal for long hours, whether you are at work, attending a meeting, catching up with friends over coffee, या फिर आप इसे घर में पहन के बैठो. The floral print is classic and not overpowering, which makes it super wearable for everyday office wear while still keeping that graceful charm alive. And I must say the fit is flattering and comfortable. Last in this haul is this beautiful red cotton kurti with this hand block print. Let's talk about the fabric first. It's soft cotton, which makes it perfect for Indian summers or just lounging at home comfortably. The red base is vibrant but not too loud, and the hand block style floral print is giving it a very rooted and ethnic touch. It has a mandarin collar with a split V neck, and what makes it flattering is the empire line cut. See how it gathers gently below the bust. That creates a nice flow without clinging to the body. इसकी बलून टाइप स्लीव्स भी मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आई. सॉफ्ट इलास्टिक लगा हुआ है इसमें, जिससे कि फिटिंग काफ़ी अच्छी आ रही है. अब मैंने इसको ब्लैक लोअर्स के साथ पहना है, बट आप इसको रेड लोअर, ब्लू लोअर या वाइट लोअर के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. हर तरह से ये काफ़ी सुंदर लगेगी. So that was my little haul of everyday cotton suit sets that are all comfort without compromising styles. Because honestly, I feel that being well dressed isn't just about the world outside. It is actually a self-love ritual that makes your mood better and makes you feel good. If you agree, hit the like button and also leave a comment down below कि आपको इनमें से सबसे अच्छा सूट सेट कौन सा लगा. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of such doable fashion finds. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next one. Bye.